Alright guys, I have something absolutely amazing here for you. So, if you want to have fun with your friends at a party, you want to do a little mischief, or you just want to change your voice, this is Dubbing AI. Let's see what the heck is inside. Small box here. And we're just going to open here. We can see cool stickers. These are funny. Right here, and welcome to Dubbing AI. So, just go ahead, pull this right here. So this is pretty simple. So there is stickers, manual, and let's go. Dubbing AI, super excited for it. So let me explain how this works. So the first part is we have the voice box here. Now what you want to do is take the instruction manual, use this QR code, and then download the app for it. After you've done that, you'll want to take this right here and connect it via USB-C. You can also switch between voices, but this is very simple. It's a very, very simple setup. A lot of things take a long time. This you can use, you can have fun, you can play different, jokes and tricks on people, pranks, use it for gaming, use it for whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead, come here, and then plug this into the phone. Alright everyone, so the first thing we'll do is we take this Dubbing AI right here, and we're going to want to plug it into our phone. So, go ahead, we can plug this in via USB-C. That way, it'll detect the Dubbing app. Next, we can go to Google Play Store, if you have not done so already, and download the Dubbing app. So we have Dubbing right here, and we can go ahead and plug this in and play with the different voices. We have Paimon, Neo, Killjoy, all these guys. Last thing, but not least, we want a pair of headphones. So, we're going to do a nice pair of headphones, plug them in, we'll plug this in, boom, connect, then we just log in if we have with Google, which is really simple. Hit connect. We want to make sure it's on, so we turn this guy on.
Dubbing Box is a pocket-sized device that brings professional-grade, real-time AI voice transformation to every mobile user. No complex setup, no bulky gear, just plug in, connect, unlock the magic of your voice and
You can get this device in amazing price offer if you click the link below this description.
So, in conclusion, playing with this, unboxing it, this is really fun. Can use it for pranks, can use it for streaming, can use it just to have a good time, or if you want to modify your voice, just, trick the neighbors, who is this person? Or modify or trick your streaming buddies, who is that? How do they change their voice? What happened? The world of AI, there's a lot of fun things to do, and this Dubbing Box really does make it possible. And it's very easy to install, set up, and configure. So give it a shot.